Hey, what's up guys? It's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's quick yet very insightful video, I'm sharing you some quick tips and tricks that you guys should invest in before the holiday season. So, Christmas and the cold days are upon us, right? It's currently the 30th of November and we have some snow here in Canada. Very light, but it's getting colder. And this video is going to shine some light on what you guys need before Christmas is over so you guys can stock up on the essentials. Now, this is a room sensor, temperature reader and humidity reader. Very crucial. Temperature on top, humidity at the bottom. Make sure you get a bunch of these. They're very cheap on Amazon. You throw them everywhere on top of your DTF printer, stuff of that nature. The second thing I suggest that you guys invest in after you have the humidity sensor monitor is going to be a humidifier and a dehumidifier. These are both humidifiers, but get a humidifier and a dehumidifier depending on the room space that you guys have. Invest in a bigger one or smaller one, right? So room sensor, humidifier or dehumidifier, and then I suggest that you guys get some compressed air like this. Very useful if ever you need to clean up some stuff like this. Very useful. Never a loss. And then alcohol swabs. These things are my best friend, guys. Very cheap, and you need them pretty much every day if you're DTF printing. Like I said, it's going to be a very quick video, but you know, Christmas is around the corner. Send this to your loved ones if they want to get you some stuff on Amazon. VLR, this thing is the best thing on the world to remove DTF prints. If you don't have VLR and you're in a pinch, you can also use acetone, nail polish remover. Lint rollers, you can never have enough. Measuring tapes like this, and the list could go on, but these are my quick Christmas essentials for DTF printers. If you guys found this video somewhat useful and insightful, make sure to leave a like. And if you want more quick videos like this giving you the best equipment that you guys can buy, it's really cheap. It's like Christmas gift ideas. Let me know in the comments down below and I'll make an updated video, maybe a bit more in depth with some links. But hopefully you guys found this somewhat insightful. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.